Welcome to another how-to video, how to collaborate on Google Docs. Hey everyone, today let me teach you on how you can collaborate on Google Docs. So first, let's create a new document by clicking the plus sign or the plus new on the upper left of your screen under the Home tab. Click on Google Docs. I'm just going to edit my document name, like I'm going to name it Collaborate Samples. I'm just going to type anything random. After typing anything on the documents, click Share on the upper right of your screen beside your profile. While you are in the Share tab, choose anyone you want to share your documents with. After that, click Save or Done, depends on which one appeared. And that's it. That's how you can collaborate with everyone on Google Docs. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.